Watching China's amazing technological innovation and advancement is really awe-inspiring, but today is something that is at another level. If you haven't seen China's most unbelievable military fighter jets in action, then this video is surely made for you. But before that, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for you to see the latest updates of our channel. Today, brace yourself to see China's most unbelievable military fighter jets in action. And without wasting any more of your time, here we go with my number 1. Number 1 is China's GH-7 Flying Leopard fighter-bomber aircraft. GH-7, also known as the Flying Leopard, is a twin-engine, lightweight fighter-bomber aircraft designed and manufactured by China's Xi'an Aircraft Industry Corporation. Equipped with the WS-9 Jinling turbofan engine, the aircraft can fly at a maximum speed of 1,808 km per hour. And its combat radius can reach 1,650 kilometers. The GH-7 is armed with different types of air-to-air missiles, anti-ship missiles, and anti-radiation missiles. The GH-7 is not only capable of striking the targets on the ground or sea, but also escorting other naval forces as well. Number 2 is China's J-10B multi-role fighter jet. The J-10B multi-role fighter jet is an updated version of the J-10 fighter independently developed and produced by China. The J-10B, which features a canard configuration and diverter-less supersonic inlet, is lighter and faster. In addition, it is equipped with a Chinese-made WS-10 thrust vectoring control engine, which enhances the fighter's maneuverability. The J-10B wowed audiences at the Cobra maneuver and falling leaf stunt at the Airshow China 2018. Furthermore, in the International Army Games 2021, the J-10B was used in the Aviadarts competition. Number 3 is the 5th generation J-20 fighter aircraft.
Perfect.
J-20, known as the Mighty Dragon, is the 5th generation fighter aircraft developed by Chengdu Aerospace Corporation for the PLA Air Force. It is a single-seat, all-weather and stealth fighter aircraft with precision strike capability. J-20 made its debut in the 2016 China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition. The PLA Air Force officially inducted J-20s into combat units in 2018. Number 4 is China's J-20 stealth fighter and Su-35 jets in combat training. China's Su-35 fighter jets for a joint combat patrol mission in the South China Sea area and its latest J-20 stealth fighters commissioned in combat service will maintain airspace safety in the new era, a military expert said. The People's Liberation Army Air Force announced that China has recently sent Su-35 fighter jets for a joint combat patrol mission in the South China Sea area. The deployment is expected to improve the Air Force's adaptive capacity in complicated situations in the air and on the sea, and enhance its ability to maintain national sovereignty and security and maritime interests in the South China Sea area, said the professor with the PLA Air Force Command Academy. Number 5 is China's newest J-16D electronic warfare fighter jet. China's most advanced electronic warfare fighter jet, the J-16D, made its debut at Airshow China 2021. China independently designed and manufactured the J-16D based on the previous generation J-16 fighter, aiming to jam enemy radar and erode anti-aircraft systems. The plane features an electronic warfare pod under each wing, and its fuselage bristles with antennas. There are also hardpoints under the plane to attach anti-radiation missiles that can target hostile radar. China is the second country to develop this type of electronic warfare fighter after the United States. The unveiling of the J-16D highlights China's vastly improved electronic warfare capabilities. Number 6 is China's J-20, J-16, and J-10C fighter jets conduct combat training. Three types of People's Liberation Army Air Force fighter jets, J-20, J-16, and J-10C, recently conducted joint combat training to promote strategic coordination and improve their comprehensive combat capabilities. The J-16 can carry a wide variety of missiles. The J-20 can launch attacks undetected, and the J-10C has reactivity and maneuverability advantages. The PLA Air Force organized joint training in order to enhance coordination between the different jets and to maximize the advantages of each. And that's all there is to it for today. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.